click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the notification of every video I upload. Hello friends, this is Android in question. In this video, I will talk about the Android Pie update of Galaxy A8 and A8 Plus 2018. So let's watch. So friends, the Galaxy A8 and A8 Plus, which are Samsung's high mid-range smartphone, is now getting Android Pie update in many countries. So friends, for Galaxy A8 Plus, the update is currently available in India, which is the second country to be getting Android Pie update for the Galaxy A8 Plus. And by this, we can expect the rollout will expand to more countries in the near future. The update file size is about 1233 MB. And friends, if we talk about the Galaxy A8 2018, so friends, for this phone, the Android Pie update is available in Netherland and Germany. The update weighs around 1400 MB and is available over the air. This update includes February security patch for India, and for Netherlands and Germany the update includes March security patch. The update also comes with One UI, which is the best thing you get in the Android Pie update of Samsung's phone. It comes with many new features, but mid-range devices might not get these new features. So friends, this is the latest news. I hope you will like the video, so subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Peace out.